Hello. So nice to meet you. So I'm Kazuhiro Nishioka, CEO of Kisvin Science. So thank you for giving us this precious opportunity in the middle of Corona disaster. So I'm a viticulture researcher and so winemaker, and I also run an agri-tech company in Japan. So my life work is wine production and wine viticulture. But I'm interested in the physiology, plant physiology of all plants, and have been engaged in academic research on more than 150 plants. So today, I hope to have chance to talk with you guys today about about new initiatives. Thank you very much.
Okay, let's play video.
Hello everyone. We're Kisvin Science, an agricultural startup. We are developing technology to listen to plants. As you know, plants can speak like humans at all, right? Recently, smart and precision agriculture have become popular all over the world. But what happens inside the plants themselves has hardly been checked. Most solutions only measure the meteorological environment. You know, we humans are facing a number of serious problems related to food production on a global scale. In order to solve these problems quickly, we humans need to have a deeper understanding of the plant physiology and ecology. When we go to the hospital, the doctor starts the diagnosis with a stethoscope. They also use a sphygmomanometer, right? Yes, we need the equivalent of those healthcare sensors, and we need to use it to listen to plants. Therefore, we have developed a system to diagnose the plant's health based on the water flow in plant body. It's called sap flow sensor. Similar products for academic research are already available, but they are too expensive for farmer use, and it's destructive. Low cost is essential to popularize such a rare device. We apply thin film circuit technology to implement a low-cost sensor and system that is 1/20th the cost of conventional products. This sensor is, of course, non-destructive. This sensor uses heat as its indicator. A thin film sensor with a heater and a temperature sensor is wrapped around the plant to warm it partially. The heat is distributed evenly from the heater to the upward and downward at night or when the sap flow is slow. But under sunny conditions with high transpiration, the heat is carried away by the sap water, and the summer distribution is skewed upward. From the summer distribution around the heater, we can measure the heat balance at the sensor installation point. The sap flow rate can be determined as a physical quantity from the specific heat capacity of water. This sensor can be applied and used on most plants, which has a cylindrical shoots or stems. We have prepared an attractive data logger to comfortably deliver the sap flow data to users. This logger is equipped with a very versatile microcontroller, which allows users to freely change the firmware according to their purposes. In addition, we use a Sigfox Shield as a low-power wide area network that have already obtained the technical standard compliance in each country. So we do not need to obtain the compliance again. This is the reason why we can provide a local system. Service providers who have their own web applications can freely import data through Open API. Please connect more and more to your apps. You can monitor the physiological activity will be possible remotely. Our products are often used as water-saving technology in dryland farming and greenhouse cultivation. There is a physiological trade-off between yield and crop quality, which is greatly influenced by the amount of irrigation. And other applications include quantitative evaluation of the effects of plant growth regulators. Our target priority is, as you can see here, we are trying to find dealers and agricultural service providers to take advantage of our products now. We have a strong desire to make this technology more widespread throughout the world. If you are interested, please contact us. Let's together. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. And do you have any questions from panels?
Yeah, I have a question. So it's Ludovic from the Orange Fab France. Your technology is very interesting, and a few months ago we introduced you to another startup that we are a company in Europe, which is named CBAX, and they were very interesting by your technology and to work with you, but at the time you were not really prepared to go international and to collaborate with other companies. So where are you standing now in terms of capacity to go international and to really sell your product and collaborate with other companies that are working on this field in agriculture?
Yeah, so I'm very sorry that our communication with CBEX has been so delayed. So the last 6 months have been so very tough for us. So we managed to make ends meet with so consulting businesses, and so we were in critical situation before we signed the MBA. So and we were struggling to climb out of it. The business situation has become so stable for now. So I would like to get in touch with them again. So to move the conversation forward. So please continue to follow up with us, and we look forward to working with you.
Well, you can recontact them because they will be very happy to talk to you, and they are very curious and like to really investigate more and further your solution. They think it's a great solution, so feel free to tell them that you're back on business and you can resume a conversation you had before. Thank you.
Thank you.
Any other questions from other panels?
So maybe Lucas from Poland, exactly. I think also that's quite a very interesting technology. But I have a few questions about communication technology exactly. Which one do you use? You mentioned about Sigfox. Yeah, am I right?
Pardon? Excuse me.
Communication.
I can't hear you.
Do you use a Sigfox? It's a question.
I'm sorry, Nishikawa-san.
The question was if you use Sigfox technology, communication technology.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
okay.
We usually use the Sigfox, but user can change the telemetry system to other protocols, so Wi-Fi or any other Bluetooth or other voice. Yeah.
So Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. This is the other ones, yeah.
How to say, so other LPWA, so any other.
Okay.
Yeah. So you can change the shield, so you can use other protocols.
Okay, so could you also compare your product to the competition? What's the competition exactly?
Mm. So no, there is no problem to mount other shields. Yeah. Very
competition.
And about the competition, what about the competition?
So our competition.
Yeah.
Maybe no, there's no competitor for us because our product is very inexpensive, and so other manufacturer is just do business for just academic researcher, doing not for the academic researcher, just for the farmers and other service provider.
Okay, so my last question: are you ready to be on the European market?
Of course, yeah.